Okay, let's create our first Visualforce page using ABCD. Go ahead, launch the Visualforce page builder. And under create, I am going to create a new page. I'm going to call it accounts page. That is my label. The name is auto calculated, and I am building this page for the account object. And of course, the newly added capability, the target device, it typically is defaulted to desktop, or if you want to create your Visualforce page that you intend to use in mobile devices, go ahead, select mobile. But in this case, my intention is creating it for desktop. I'm simply selecting desktop and I'm going to click continue. At this point, the page is created and you would be brought into the builder platform. This is where you drag and drop and create your pages. Let's quickly reorient ourselves. So on the left side, you have the list of the components, basically divided into two categories. One is ABCD. These are all the custom Visualforce components that ABCD supplies. At this point, we have 24. In your case, it might be more, maybe it might be on a different or a later release. As well, we have the standard components listed under classic. So in this sample, let's begin with creating it. And when you're on the page, you can always go back to the page properties by clicking the gears icon at the top right corner. And in this case, I'm going to look at my properties. I'm not going to make any changes, but you can if you want. I'm going to come back safely. For any page, the first thing you would do is create or add the library component. As you notice, the library component is the glue. It connects everything that the page requires. Could that be your style sheets, could that be your JavaScripts, Apex controllers, context variables, you name it. So in this specific video, I'm going to start creating my page by dragging and dropping the library component. And I'm going to give it a meaningful ID. I'm going to call it lib and accept my changes. Well, let me just quickly go ahead and save my changes. And at this point, I have created my page. And of course, if I go to preview my page, there isn't anything yet because this is a blank page I just created. But in my subsequent videos, I will show you how we will start extending this by adding page headers, columns, grids, and all the different components. Please make sure to check the subsequent videos to understand and use various components in ABCD. Thank you.